workout. Let's I think go into our featured chart today. That was a great transition to look at this chart that shows strategies performance against other major stocks. Bitcoin is on there, gold. We have Tesla, Meta, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft. And a strategy is there at 169%. This is a strategy chart, so take that with a grain of salt.
A grain of strategy.
A grain of strategy. But really kind of just like depicting what you just said there. You know, Bitcoin up almost 80% against strategies 170%. For me, this chart just kind of encapsulates all of the news that we've been talking about this week. Like I said, gold almost at another all-time high. Apple is struggling with its AI narrative. Tesla stocks plummeting because Trump and Musk can't seem to get it together. Talk to me about what you're taking away from this.
We never want to give investment advice, and we never want to comment on individual stock prices or convey any information that could be interpreted as stock research. So these are all kind of bringing feelings to a facts fight. But I think Tesla's an interesting example where there was incredible emotional investment in the company, which drove the stock price higher than many fundamental analysts thought it should be, right? And so that is maybe a little bit less transparent version of the same thing, where you have people who get very excited about participating in what they believe is a movement, and they express that movement by buying an investment, and they know that to the extent they remain in very good company, that there will be liquidity in that investment if they want to change their minds. And so timing is critical in this thing. You need the movement to last. But it's funny because Tesla and MicroStrategy are kind of, in some ways, have exhibited the same right characteristics of drawing in investors who are not very price sensitive. They just want a piece of this. They want to own the volatility, and they want to be part of that movement. So I think that it's just a way people are always going to behave. And just because you can actually calculate that MicroStrategy premium more transparently than Tesla, it doesn't mean that it's a very different thing.